Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best hot tub ground mat is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any hot tub owner, offering a crucial layer of protection for both your tub and your backyard space, ensuring longevity and enhancing the overall user experience by providing a stable, comfortable, and safe surface to step onto, thereby preventing potential damage from debris, weather, and everyday wear and tear, making it a worthwhile investment for any hot tub enthusiast seeking to maximize their enjoyment and preserve their investment. Number 5. PVC Stitch Heavy Duty Repair Kit. Introducing PVC Stitch, the ultimate heavy-duty repair solution for a wide range of inflatables and PVC items. It's designed for durability and ease of use. Repairing tears and punctures is now simple. This liquid PVC creates a permanent, waterproof patch without the need for additional materials. Just apply the sealant evenly over the damaged area, and it's ready to use in 2 to 3 hours. It's that easy to get your gear back in action. Our formula is water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand heat and cold. It provides superior adhesion and damage resistance for long-lasting repairs. Perfect for air mattresses, pools, hot tubs, kayaks, and even PVC pipes. It's the go-to solution for most outdoor and inflatable gear. Store it at room temperature, and enjoy a 2-year shelf life. This kit includes everything you need for quick and effective repairs. What we like. If your hot tub has a tear or puncture, this is the ultimate solution. It's a heavy-duty, water-resistant sealant that dries quickly, making repairs easy even in challenging conditions. Choose this if you need a reliable, long-lasting fix for inflatable hot tubs and other PVC items. What people say. This patch held amazingly so far. This stuff has repaired their mattresses and inner tubes. It holds well to swallow the directions, do everything it says and let it sit for a couple of hours before you use it. Successfully patched the hole with no leaks and holds good and strong. Number 4. NOVWANG 78-inch Round Hot Tub Mat. Introducing our large, round hot tub mat, designed to perfectly fit hot tubs up to 77 inches in diameter. Its generous 78-inch size offers ample coverage, and it can even be trimmed to your specific needs. This mat acts as an efficient protector, preventing friction and reducing noise between your hot tub and the floor. It absorbs water effectively, so you won't have to worry about mopping up spills after a relaxing soak. Crafted from premium felt and PE material, this accessory offers superior water and oil absorption. The PE layer provides a waterproof barrier and a non-slip grip, ensuring safety and keeping your floor tidy. Cleaning is a breeze, simply air dry or wipe with soapy water for stains. When not in use, it conveniently folds away, saving you valuable space. Beyond hot tubs, this mat is perfect for inflatable pools, outdoor barbecues, or even as a car mat. Its versatility makes it a great addition for preventing water and oil messes in various settings. What we like. For those who want to protect their floors and ensure safety around their hot tub, this is an excellent choice. Its large size and absorbent, slip-proof backing effectively manage water and prevent accidents. If you're looking for a practical and safe addition to your hot tub setup, especially on hard indoor or outdoor surfaces, this mat is ideal. What people say. The mat is easy to assemble and provides a stable base for the hot tub. It effectively protects the hot tub from punctures and wear. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. KETNET Solar Pool Cover 6-foot diameter round. Tired of cold water ruining your swim? Our solar cover uses tiny bubbles to capture and retain heat, warming your pool or spa for year-round enjoyment. Reduce water evaporation by up to 95% and keep your pool free from dirt and leaves. Spend less time cleaning and more time swimming. Unlike thinner covers, ours is a robust 12 mils thick. This ensures it lasts longer and works more efficiently, resisting tears and fading even in strong sunlight. Perfect for in-ground, above-ground, or spa pools. It's easy to cut to any shape, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique pool. This floating cover is built to last. It's waterproof and won't be damaged by soaking or direct sunlight, maintaining its quality over time. Specifically designed for 6-foot round pools, it provides an excellent fit. It's suitable for both home and commercial spas. What we like. If your goal is to maintain and even increase your hot tub's water temperature while saving on water, this solar cover is your best bet. Its bubble design traps heat and significantly reduces evaporation, and the thick material ensures durability. Consider this if you want to enjoy a warmer spa experience and minimize water loss, regardless of pool type. What people say. Helps to quickly warm the water to a nice temperature, and as a bonus, the water stays clean. It is easy to remove and put back on after a wonderful day in the water. Helps keep debris out. Warmed up pool almost 10 degrees in one day. Probably due to ending evaporation from pool. Used it a whole season in the FL sun, no issues so far, so it has performed better than expected. Number 2. Confer Plastics Handi Spa Pad 6-Pack. Tired of costly and time-consuming concrete installations? Discover a smarter solution for your hot tub or spa base. Protect the underside of your spa and speed up setup with these durable mats. They eliminate the need for concrete, saving you time and money. Each mat provides a durable cushion for spa placement, safeguarding your portable tub. They are designed to be placed on various surfaces. These mats quickly lock together with built-in connectors, offering greater strength and reduced shifting. You can easily expand the pad size by adding more units. Its versatility extends beyond hot tubs. Use them under pool equipment, plastic sheds, trash cans, or even inside your garage. Cleaning is as simple as a hose wash. What we like. When you need a stable and protective base for your hot tub without the hassle of concrete, these interlocking pads are perfect. They offer a durable, quick-to-install solution that protects your tub and the ground beneath it. If you value convenience and a solid foundation for your spa, especially on decks or uneven surfaces, this pack is a great option. What people say. I've been using this pad for our hot tub for almost 6 months now, and it works great. It's a solid, reliable solution, and a much more affordable option compared to pouring a concrete base. Great alternative to expensive concrete. Easy to assemble. Dug out a 10 by 10 level area, added sand, then small stone. Bordered it with timbers. Haven't moved the hot tub on it yet, but so far happy with the purchase and the overall look. These spa pads are fantastic. I purchased a hot tub and found out 3 days before it was delivered that I could not place it on the ground. Wanting to protect my investment in the tub long term, I knew I had to do something, but there was no time to hire someone to pour a concrete pad. I ordered these pads and they were delivered in 2 days. I threw some granite, gravel and pebbles down in a thin layer on top of the grass, put the spa pad on top, and it's been holding my 8 by 8 hot tub for the last 5 years. Still going strong. No problems whatsoever. Number 1. Yarlung Bamboo Bath Mat. Introducing the Yarlung Bamboo Bath Mat, a stylish and natural addition to your bathroom. Its perfect size makes it ideal for indoor showers, spas, or saunas. Featuring a vented design with wide slats for faster drying, this mat ensures quick airflow and water drainage. It stays firmly in place thanks to its anti-slip bottom. Crafted from natural bamboo, this mat is waterproof, sturdy, and built to last. Bamboo is a renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice. The non-slip surface provides a secure footing, preventing falls when you step out of the shower. It's finely finished for a smooth, water-resistant, and comfortable touch. This water-resistant bamboo mat is perfect for various settings. Use it in your bathroom, outdoor shower, by the pool, or even in your kitchen. What we like. For a touch of spa-like relaxation and a natural aesthetic, this bamboo mat is a fantastic choice. Its vented design promotes quick drying, and the non-slip base ensures safety. If you appreciate natural materials and want a stylish, functional mat for your bathroom, shower, or even poolside, this is the one to go for. What people say. Functionality is perfect for keeping your feet dry after you shower. Genuine bamboo wood, this shower mat is tough and looks good in any bathroom or shower. Works really well for dispersing the water after a shower and keeping my bathroom floor dry. Have never slipped on it once. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.